my name is Annette. I was born in Holland, but now I have these days Singapore nationality. I came to Singapore 20 years ago. I lived here happily before in the east, but then moved a year ago to Tiong, Bahru. I picked Tiong Bahru because of the cozy, nostalgic environment. A lot of heritage is found here, so this created a great ambience to live in. Okay, let's talk about the house. I bought it in original state. I used for inspiration to renovate it Amsterdam loft idea, which is an open house concept, and it results in basic materials, natural elements and space. My favorite artwork is the family of three, created by my best friend Bianca Kramer. One is called Speak Out, with big eyes, beautiful colors. One of the energy, which is clearly almost, you can feel it. And one is United. As you can see, I have a big dining table with a nice huge kitchen block, which means for entertaining guests. And the basic colors, the natural environment gives the option to work with vibrant colors, which reflects in the paintings they are hanging and also in the choice of flowers. And of course we like to enjoy the wine and the cake. Every day I come home from work and I walk up to the apartment, open up the door. I feel good, I feel relaxed, there's a good vibe, it's chill, and I enjoy every second of it.